starting with the next lesson, lesson number 2 of the unit number 7, and the name of the lesson is implementing business add-ins, and sometimes it is called buddies. And before proceeding on to the first topic of this buddies, here I want to tell you about the buddies. These buddies are used to enhance the functionality of the SAP standard programs without altering the original programs, and that can only be done with the help of buddies. Suppose we have already programs like SE38. SE38 is a transaction, that means a program is working behind this SE38. Similarly, we have a transaction SE80, SE37, number of transactions are there, and the number of programs are running or working in this behind of this transaction. So these are the existing SAP system programs, and you can enhance the capability of these programs with the help of buddies. That is also called business add-ins. You can see in this figure, with a buddy, an SAP application provides the enhancement option through an interface. So with the help of interface, you can add some of the enhancement in the existing program. Suppose this is an SAP standard program, and you can enhance with the help of customer enhancement, that is with the help of interfaces or implementing that interfaces. The interface can be implemented by the several uses in the delivery chain. Thus multiple buddy implementation can be possible. As you can see, this is an example of this chaining. This is SAP already existing programs, and with the help of IBU and partners, some smaller changes that we can do, and finally we can add some of the customer additions or enhancement with the help of buddies. So this is SAP standard, and with the help of adapter classes, and these adapters are sometimes called interfaces. Come to the next topic, definition of the buddy and basics. You can see, when you define a particular buddy, you must specify an interface. So interface generally we define with the help of interface keyword, then interface, and then if_ex_buddy. You must specify an interface with this name with a corresponding formally defined method. So corresponding method is method meth1 and this one. So this is an interface, that is we have added customer interface to the particular already existing adapter classes, and this interface, generally this adapter class which is going to implement this interface, because the interface are the special classes that cannot be instantiated. So with the help of adapter class, you can implement the method of the interface. So this is a buddy adapter class, CL_EX_buddy definition, and this is an interface IF_EX_buddy, and we are going to implement this particular class in which we are going to define the particular method. So method name is method1 and method2, and the method we define with the help of method, and then interface name. So interface name is IF_EX_buddy, and then component access operator, and then method1, and define the method here. So adapter class that is automatically generated during the interface definition, and which has the very much capability to enhance the existing SAP system. Now come to the next topic. So these are the procedure of defining the buddies. The first step is run the transaction SE18 or the SAP, go to SAP easy access screen, and then choose tool, then ABAP workbench, then utilities, and then business IDs and definitions. Okay. So step number 2, as you can know, the SAP NetWeaver 7.0, you cannot directly create a buddies, but now we are working on higher version of this one. You can create directly the buddies. So firstly, you must create a enhancement spot, and with the help of enhancement spot means where you want to insert your particular interface or methods of the user, because we are going to modify the existing programs. So firstly we need to define the enhancement spot there. Then we need to write the definition name, buddy definition, and then choose the create push button, and then enter the interface name. As soon as the interface you create, it automatically will create the adapter class, and by this adapter class you can add on your own methods, customer methods. to the SAP existing programs. Now you can see this in implementation. This is a customer part. When you are going to define this business heading, so you can write down the implementation name. So this is Z implement. When you click on this create, it will ask the definition of the body, and then when you click on the OK, it will ask the interface you want to add on this particular existing program. So we are going to define ZCL because the customer interface you are going to define. So we need to start with the ZCL underscore IM underscore implementation, and then when you double click on it, it automatically open the coding of the particular class. So to implement a buddy, I have already discussed. First step is run the transaction code SC19, enter the buddy definition name and choose the create push button, and then enter the implementation name and then press OK button, and then enter the description text and save button, and double click of the name of the implementing class to navigate the class, and you can implement your source code. So you can see that the implementation name, that then click on the create and give the definition name, then interface name. When you enter the interface name, it automatically create the implementing class, and by double click on this implementing class, you can define the particular customer method. So this was all about the lesson number 2 of the unit number 7. One more thing that I want to tell you about this buddies. You can also search the existing buddies using the repository information system. So you can open this with the help of transaction SC84, and you can also use the application hierarchy, and the transaction is SC81, and you can use the customizing guides, and the customizing guiding you can open with the help of transaction SPRO. So this was all about the unit number 7.